Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can create a business email account. Now you can charge your customers, that's your clients, who you're creating a website for, or who you're creating a business email account for let's say $20, $50. Now you can create a gig on this particular section. Now the easiest way to do this is without paying any other money, extra money. You need to get a hosting account. Now, I've seen companies charging um, a different amount of money just for you to create an email account, which is very wrong for them. Well, they need to make money. Now, the easiest way is once you get an hosting account, you don't need to pay any money for email address and the rest. No, what you just have to do is you need to get the hosting account gives you access to the cPanel. Now, for you to have an hosting account, you need to also get a domain name. So you just head over to cheapdesigndomain.com. As you can see over here, just click purchase now. So you'll be taken to the place where you can order for your domain and your hosting. So you take it to a place where you can order for your domain and hosting. So I have to show you this part first before we head over to where the email account, account is being created. So you just get your domain name over here. Then you scroll down. Then once you do this, you click on shared hosting. So you're going to choose which one. Now you can see there's monthly and yearly package. So you can choose the one that's convenient for you, and it's very, very affordable. Trust me when I say this. Now, once you're done with this, your account will be created. Now you head over to I'm using this particular domain name, this hosting over here, that is the other details. So now once you click view other details, you take it to this place. So now this particular place, this is where you would scroll down and you see login to cPanel. Now once you click login to cPanel, you will take you to this particular section. Now I'm very sure you're familiar with the OG cPanel look now, which is the paper lantern. Now we're not going to visit paper lantern because cPanel has given us a new and better look, which is this, and I'm very sure you will like this. As you can see over here, it's beautiful. Now to create your business email, you just need to go to your cPanel and you head over to email account. Now once you click on email account, you will be taken to the other section, which is going to be loading up right now. And yeah, so this is it. So let me just take this quickly. Do this. All right. So now this is it. Now this is the system email account. So this is system email account. Now you're going to create a business email account. The reason why I'm creating a business email account is because you need something professional, or I'll call it a professional email. Now, for a company that owns a website, you need to get a business email account. So you don't need to pay anyone. This is free. You can do this for free. So just put in contact, guys, contact at the business name. I'm pretty sure you've seen this, contact at paper.com, contact at flutterwave.com, something like that. Hi at something. So you can also put um, inner eye. So I at it depends on the usage. So I'm using contact because when customers reach out to me through the form provided on the website, you can respond to them using this email. I'm going to show you how to do that. But now this is the part where I'm going to create the password. So I'm just going to do this. All right, the password has been created already. So now what I just need to do next is to click create. Now automatically my business account has been created. Yes, so just wait for it to load up. And yes, so you can see over here, this is my business account. Now, if you want to increase the storage size, now by default, your hosting is going to provide you with 1 gig storage size. What you just have to do is you're going to click on manage. Now, the reason why you're clicking on manage is because you want to increase the the story. Let's say you want, maybe customers are sending you videos and the rest. Maybe they're trying to send you video to your business image, trying to show you what went wrong. Maybe they are trying, maybe depending on the type of business you're running. So you can put it to unlimited. Unlimited gives you the ability to what? To collect as many email as many video content or pictures, whatever it may be, as you can. Yes, from your customers. so you don't run out of space. 1 gig will not be enough, trust me. Even Google gives you 15 gig, 15 gigabytes, and most people maximize that, and you know how you'll be told to pay. But now, because you have an hosting, you see it's infinity. Now, take note, not all hosting offers an unlimited storage capacity. That's why I recommend Gym Design Domain, because you have the ability to do that. Now, if you want to check your mail, don't check your mail. It's very simple. There are two ways to do that. Now, you can do it from your dashboard. Just check your mail, check mail, sorry. Then you go over to webmail login. Now, the webmail login is alternative to email login. Now, because you're running a business account or you own a business account, what you just have to do is click open over here. Don't touch anything on this section. Just come over to this page. You're going to click open. Now, the reason why you are using this particular section is because it's going to take you directly towards your webmail account. Now, the alternative way to do this, the simple and alternative way to do this, as you can see over here, this is similar to your email address, email account. That is your normal email account. Now, the alternative way to do this is you just going to let me just. Now, the alternative way to have access to this place is just come over to this place, just paste this, then you're just going to type webmail. Yes, just type webmail, click enter. Now, this is going to take you directly to your to where you're going to log in. So you can see over here, just wait, hold on, then this is going to change. You can just click here if you want to, but just don't. It's going to connect you automatically. So just give it like some seconds and you will be this thing. All right, so now, so what you're just going to do, so what you're just going to do here, just let me just come over to this place. Now, this is my email address, right? Now, this is my business email address. So just copy this. I'm going to paste it here. So let me just get the password I use for this. All right, so now I've put in the password. So I'm just going to click on login and you're going to see login successfully redirecting. So you're just going to use the username and the password and you're taken to this page. Just click, save this, just save this for saving sake. Now click open and you're taken to what? To this particular page also. So you don't even need to go through the cPanel process. Just use your email address / cPanel and you log into this page. You can see the process we took from here. We had to go to cPanel, go to email account, go to check email, and we got to this place like the other procedure over there. So now this is your configuration. Now this is an advanced stage. This advanced stage is when you want to connect your mail server using SSL. Now SSL certificate means the site is secured. So now you just need to connect the username, the password, and also the incoming server. That's the port. But now this is not for today's tutorial. So the main part of this tutorial is the ability for you to send email and also receive email. So now I'm going to, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to do this. I'm just going to do this. I'm going to send email to myself. So all right, so I just sent an email to myself. So I'm going to just refresh this and I'm going to see an email that has been gotten from me. So just give it some time. Um, let me send. Let me send an email to myself. Let me send an email to myself. So let me send an email to myself right now. So as you can see over here, I sent an email to my to yeah, so yeah. So as you can see over here, you can see over here the email just got you. So now because I just created this email, so it took time, like some seconds. Yes, just it's not up to a minute. Now you can see over here, this is the customer email. So I'm using this as testing. Now if you see details, you see the email address that was being addressed to, and look at the name of the person. You understand? So now if you want to reply, you can simply just reply. Just similar concept, similar way you do for your Gmail. Just reply from this end. You just click hello testing, just like and once you click send, it's going to send to the person also. So that is just how to do it. You can see here you can upload the attached file. You can see your file size 200 MB. So you can upload as much as 200 MB. Do you understand? As large as 200 MB. So you can create, you can see over here, before it was 10 available emails to create. You can create as many as possible or as many as you can. So that's just how to go about it. Now, if you think I'm capping concerning that, so let me just show what I mean. To create a business email, how much you can charge. Right? You can see over here now. You can see you can charge see $14. $14. Then you can see over here, scroll down, you can see $14. Literally, you can charge $14 and above. You understand? That is how to create. You can see over here. Bluehost is charging $14 for this. You understand? I think okay, see $5 per email. Pardon me. You see, if you were to use a paid email, then you can add another $5 per email. You can see how it works. $5 per email when you can get it for free with gmdesigndomain.com. So that's just a way of telling you that you can leverage $5 per client and you can charge as high as that. Do you understand? So that's just how to do it.